So this will just be a quick view or overview of this keyboard. It is Keychron V1 MAX. I got this keyboard last week, and you can tell it's really well built. I got it with yellow switches. They sound really nice. It feels really nice to type on. This knob controls volume, or you can set it to control anything you want. It's really nice. It does like USB, of course. You can use it for Windows and Mac. It does Bluetooth and 2.5 gigahertz. On this side, you have the USB-C dongle, and you have as well a USB-A dongle that you can that just store here, and they're like magnetically attached in there. They're really secure. It's really nice. You can look up the specs. Let me just plug this in. You can look up the specs for it online. It's like gasket mounted and whatever, it doesn't matter. The point I'm making this video for is because I got this keyboard last week and it's already not working. As you can see, it has a lot of, you can control the RGB lighting, just press function and Q, but I'm going to get it to a specific one so that I can show you the problem that I'm having, the main problem that I'm having, because I've been having other issues as well that just suddenly and completely out of nowhere, a whole row of keys will just be like completely pressed down for like forever. It's just completely pressed down, all of them. So it just keeps like mashing the same row of keys. That after I reset it and flashed the firmware, it kind of like went away. But okay, you can see here. I do press a key and it does like that, like a ripple effect. So as you can see, you can do that in all the keys. It's fine. However, this key right there, when I press it, you see that? It's coming out of there. Because why? Whenever you press this key, it mashes every single key on this row, all the way from here to here. I have tested it with a keyboard tester online, and it does the same. As you can see, it just, that went from there, that went from there, that went from there, that went from there, that went from there. And this is not a cheap keyboard. It looks nice, you know. It's not a cheap keyboard. It's $100, and I don't think that $100 keyboard should just stop working properly out of nowhere within a week. Like, I have this keyboard. This is my keyboard that I've been using for 2 or 3 years now. It's just a where is it? There you go. The Dragon. This is a K230 or something like that, or 530. Yeah, Draconic something. It's working fine after a few years. Some of the switches are kind of messed up. I can just change them out. It's topable. But I don't have any issues with the keyboard itself. This is clearly not a software issue. This is like a hardware issue. Like, there's something wrong with the PCB, because I took out every single switch from this row, and I do that, and it keeps doing it. Just keeps typing away all of it at once. It's like mashing all of it at once. So I don't know, Keychron needs to fix their shit or something, because this is not acceptable for $100. This is, I think I paid less than $50 for this. You can probably get it for cheaper if it's on sale. And I can just order new switches for this and have it fixed immediately. And the only issue is that sometimes it doesn't register a key press. And after 2 years, I'm not too mad. This is brand new, so I am pretty mad about it. I contacted the support last week. Still have not heard back from them. I hope that they can solve this for me. Probably need a new PCB, but again, the quality control is just probably just terrible, and that's why it's like this. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Other than that, it is a really well or nicely put together. It sounds really nice. The bass part sounds great. But if you have stuff like that, it's not worth buying. You just buy a Logitech. It's not gonna be as nice, but it's reliable.